Students are being left behind. In your year 2 report, EDCOM 2 said that students are progressing to grade 4 despite only being at grade 3 or grade 2 in terms of actual learning. In one of your visits, you said that grade 8 or grade 9 students are struggling in the lessons they should have learned when they were in grade 4.
Yes.
So what led to this mess?
I think, kasi lumabas yung data from the World Bank before, no, that there is learning poverty. And then when we saw the PISA results, at grade 10, nakita natin 75% of Filipino learners have no basic minimum proficiencies. And so when you track it down pala, what we found in a UNICEF study that is about to be released is that these gaps start very early on. Grades 1 to 3 pa lang, the gaps already emerge. What are we saying? In the study, they found that at grade 3, or those who progress to grade 4, many of them are 1 to 2 years behind pre-COVID. Meaning to say you're grade 3, but actually what you know is grade 1 level.
Okay.
But the pandemic worsened it to 3 years.
Okay.
Meaning to say you could be at grade 4 now, but what you know is kinder or grade 1 level. We see that in terms of progressing in the entire education system, bit-bit nila yung difficulty na ito all the way to high school.
Okay.
That is why we're seeing many of our students still struggling with basic literacies and numeracies even if they're high school. Hindi pala siya grade 5, grade 6 na nangyari. Grades 1 to 3 pa lang, doon nagmula yung basic deficiencies in learning that they suffer from.
Okay. So, ganun kalala yung tinatawag natin na learning poverty, di ba? So,
Yes.
At mas winorsen siya nitong pandemic, nagkaroon ng learning loss. Pero do you think ample ba yung ginawa ng government na intervention after finding out na may ganun na nga na problem?
Well, there have been many efforts, but I think the data that has surfaced recently point to multiple solutions to address this. One is that a lot of it roots from early education and stunting. Kasi a lot of them, one in 4 Filipino children are stunted, and a lot of our students are progressing without real early education. So malaking handicap yun because they're unable to really achieve their full potential as early as grades 1 to 3. The other thing that we found was in terms of reading or teaching how to read, nawala na to pala sa curriculum ng teacher education simula early 2000s. And so we have teachers teaching grades 1 to 3 who may not have the knowledge or the competencies in terms of the real pedagogies on how to make literacy and numeracy happen in the early years. So magkatambal siya. Nutrition, early education, teacher training, at saka remediation efforts. Talagang kailangan sabay-sabay siyang tugunan.